Squeal! I am beyond excited to share this project with you. This is the Scenic Route Travel Journal Kit from Stamping Up. And as soon as this product was released, I put it into my cart and I could not wait for it to arrive. Of course, it's taken me a little bit longer to get around to creating it than I had hoped. But once I made the commitment to sitting down and doing it, it really just took me a couple of afternoons. It is so easy to put together and the result is stunning. It is perfect when you have a project that doesn't have thousands and thousands of photos, which is the case for me for this trip to Mexico. We were only there for 5 days and most of that was at a resort, so I don't have a million photos like I do when I travel for weeks and weeks. And so I didn't want to create a big album, and this was just perfect. I love that the kit is completely self-contained. It has everything you need to put it together. It's completely flexible as you're putting it together, so you can choose where the pages go and all of the accents and things. And it has all of these accents. It's got the stickers, it's got the journaling spots, it's got what can I see on there? It's got the little pockets. It has so much, and I had so much left over at the end of this as well. Anyway, check the link below. You need to get this.